Okay, we're talking to Clarence Jones from the Office of STEM Engagement at NASA. And Clarence, this is a big deal for everyone, but for kids and kids who are interested in science and STEM and just the world around us, this is really big. How are you guys interacting with the kids for this?
Yes, absolutely. So I am with the Office of STEM Engagement at NASA Glenn Research Center, and as a result of that, we'll have a series of hands-on activities that the kids can enjoy when they attend this event. One of those activities is titled the Eclipse Chalk Art. And that's where the kids will get to trace a simulation of an eclipse taking place. One of the other activities is the solar beads. And the solar beads activity is a demonstration of how we can capture and store solar power. In addition to that, we have an activity called the rotor motor, where the kids will actually be able to create a helicopter that demonstrates wind power.
What you guys do at NASA and the Great Lakes Science Center and all, it really brings science and STEM to life. And maybe for some of those kids who just haven't been converted yet to STEM enthusiasts like we are, this event and some of these projects might be that thing that pushes them over into the STEM.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's no doubt that once a kid gets to do these types of hands-on activities, they become much more engaged and excited about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, otherwise known as STEM.
And it looks like your projects here, they're kind of a broad spectrum. You have some art, but then you got some rotor stuff now, so different ages can take advantage, and right?
Yeah, absolutely. So these hands-on activities are intended for K through 12, but even the adults enjoy engaging in these hands-on activities. And the parents, we do encourage the parents to help their kids and work with their kids in putting these activities together.
This is great, Clarence. It's exciting, and I'm going to, as a very, 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 very old student here, I'm going to take a look at this rotor motor stuff myself.
Awesome.
Thanks a lot. Keep it up, and it's going to be a great event.
Thanks so much,
Thank
Dan.
You.